So you have caregivers or somebody coming over and you don't want to give a key to each person. So I got this master lock. It's what realtors use. I got it on Amazon and we'll attach a link below. It has a sliding door here, and then you set the program to whatever number you want. So once you have the combination, that's all you need to give. Then it'll open like this, and there you have the keys. To reset the number, there's a reset tab here. You put it into that position, change it to the new combination that you want, go back to this, put it in the new position, and make sure they spin the key, spin the numbers. Now when you want to reopen it, your new number should work. And it does.